And of course, before you proceed to the procedure, make sure that all the materials you're going to need are all ready. Okay? Ito tayo ready. Suppose niyo, halimbawa, ready ha? So may gum pa dito, mamaya na to. Props ito eh. Okay, saka yung towel. Alright, kung halimbawa ang pasyente ay naliligo pa at kailangan niya palit ng gown niya, so siyempre meron kayong gown. Tapos meron siyang towel. Okay? Pero basically, kung bed making lamang yan, na yung plain na bed for occupancy lamang, na lang ambulatory pasyente, yung basic na materials ay ito lamang. Okay? So yes, you have your beddings na dalawa, bottom sheet, top sheet, and of course you have your draw sheet, and of course yung pillowcase. Now, there are times of course na meron pa dito na bedspread, bedspread para pang cover ng kama. Pero nowadays, wala rin bedspread na yan. Ito na lamang basic. Ngayon, arrange them according to use. So therefore, ano natin i-apply ba? Yung bottom sheet. Okay? Ano susunod? Yung sheet. Okay, di ba? Ano susunod? Okay, then of course yung pillow. And then of course yung top sheet. Alright? Ganyan. Tapos i-invertin nyo. Prepared na. Okay? Then of course, ay prepare natin. Sige na sasabihin. Okay, ngayon. Also, ano pang kailangan natin before we make the bed? So, bawal yung pasyente ay nasa bago nga. Marami siya nakakahulog dito. May bagya po. Ano naman dyan. Gagawin nyo, remove all of them. Remove all the impediments. Okay? Ano pa ba? So, bakit nga i-prepare natin yung mga materials to conserve time and energy para hindi pa balik-balik. Okay? Dapat natin yung lahat. So, ano pa? Also, open the windows para to aerate. Okay? Yung yung kanyang room, di ba? For ventilation also. At ano pa? Also, you have to, sabi nga niya, you have to observe asepsis. And therefore, tandaan nyo, yung kama ng pasyente, yung kanyang bedding ay contaminated. And therefore, protect your uniform. Kaya pa paano yun? Do not avoid coming contact with the bedding. Okay, do not slap, do not shake, because going to yung mga contaminants that may fly away, and of course, be blown by the wind, and therefore can inhale it. Okay? And of course, ano pa ba importante? You have to observe body mechanics. Okay, body mechanics, another term yun. Ano yung body mechanics?